In this video, I want to show you how to print using your Canon PIXMA TR160 portable printer connected using a USB cable to your computer. This way you don't have to rely on any Wi-Fi signal. So this cable comes included with your printer. But if you have lost it, I'll put a link down below in the description towards Amazon where you can get another one. So you're going to take this USB Type-C part of the cable. We're going to go on the left side of the printer. Whoops, sorry. The right side. And right over here, this is where we need to connect it. The other end needs to be connected to your computer. Here I have a PC, but it works the same with a Mac computer. Simply connected in the USB port. If you don't have a USB Type-A port on your computer, well, you'll need an adapter or a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable that supports data transfer. Again, I'll put a link in the description if you don't have one of those. So I have connected it to my PC. You don't need to download any drivers most of the time. I'll also show you at the end of the video how to get a driver in case nothing works, so don't panic. But at this point, simply turn on your printer. On a PC computer, all we have to do at this point is to open the document we wish to print. So I will go in this folder and find a PDF file that I wish to print. On a Mac computer, what you need to do is to click on the magnifying glass. You have to type printer. Then in the search result, it will give you the printer menu. Simply tap on it. You're going to be in the printer settings and you need to add the printer to your Mac before being able to print. It's a bit more complicated. I have made a separate video on how to connect a Mac to this printer. So simply follow what I say in that specific video to see how to add a printer. So over here on a PC, I will simply click on the print button. The printer wasn't added by myself. This is the first time I'm actually connecting this printer to this computer. And obviously over here, I will see Canon TR160 series. It has been added without me, again, having to install anything. Make sure it is selected. Check all the details over here. So the number of copies, the pages. Let's say I just want to print page 1 and 2, not the whole document. I'll type this. Whoops, not 1 to 25, just 1 to 2. You can select if you want to print in color or black and white, if you want to print on both sides of the page or on one side, and at the end simply press the print button. Make sure you have some paper in your printer, and in under 10 seconds you should have something appearing. If you're printing on both sides of the page, it will tell you on the display over here that you need to take the page, okay, the way it came, flip it, and insert it in the paper input this way. And now, okay, since we have done this, you'll need to press the OK button on the printer. So I'm pressing the OK button. Wait a bit. And now it will print on the other side of the page. Unfortunately, this printer doesn't support duplex printing automatically. But here we go. We got our result. And we simply printed using a cable. Now, what if you absolutely need to download a driver for your computer? Well, the easiest way to do it is to simply open any internet browser. And you're going to go on Google. You're going to type Canon TR160 driver. And one of the first options over here should be from the official Canon website. Don't download anything from sketchy places. So I'll select TR160 series driver. And here you go. This is where you need to click download, again from the official Canon website. This is the Hong Kong version, but it doesn't matter which version you have. And you'll be able to install it and the printer will work with your computer. So thanks for watching. Leave a like. Again, check my Amazon links down below. If you want to get some replacement ink cartridges for this printer, I have put links to the original ink cartridges, but also third party that are cheaper. So check them out, and you support my channel. Thanks again. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.